To help colleges transition their face-to-face tutoring programs online during this period, Brainfuse is offering its Tutor Match platform free of charge for the remainder of the spring term. Tutor Match allows your tutors to continue supporting your students remotely. Once a student signs into Brainfuse, they simply choose Tutor Match and schedule a time they wish to meet with a tutor. When it's time for their session, the student and tutor log in from their devices and are instantly able to engage in the remote tutoring session. Our intuitive whiteboard allows both parties to communicate using text, audio, photos, and screenshots. By using your tutors virtually, students are able to receive the one-on-one care even when meeting on campus is impossible. For more information, visit brainfuse.com, call 866-BRAINFUSE, or email us at info@brainfuse.com.